get switched to wheat and get some wheat seeded. We think it's wet now. Wait for another inch of rain. We might be standing for a week. Filled and calibrated. We have wheat, urea, and our phosphate blend in the tank. We filled up the tractor and set the depth yesterday to where we think we need to be. We're not going to be seeding very deep because we're under a rainfall warning for tomorrow. We'll see how much we get done today. Just have to scratch it in and that wheat will come up. So we're going to be seeding maybe a little bit shallower than usual. See how much we get done. Should finish our one field and then probably get stranded halfway done the second field by the time the rain comes, but that's okay. We'll take the moisture. There's a kinked hose, not the kinker, but I could see it from the cab when I was unfolding right beside the kinker. Check that out. This guy right here, right there it kinked. It went back straight, and then I kind of squished it down. It'll be okay once it's unfolded, but if you fold up one more time, it'll get bad. Checking runs, make sure we got wheat. A little bit of peas still left in there, that's okay. Shanks in the ground. Mineral banders are engaged, wheat is going in. I got both my fans on, shafts are turning, tanks are on. Check some depth, make sure there's wheat in the ground. Hopefully it's not very deep. Scratching it in, even if it's like 1/2 inch to 3/4, that'll germinate. The outside round. This is Wheatland hard red spring wheat. There's some starter fertilizer with it, with the seed. Right there. Just cover it up. There's another one. Right there. That's the mineral bander trench. So we can find some urea. One. So that's down there. So that's good. Well, he looks like he's got things handled. There was a big rock on my outside round that I should pick up if I can find it. I don't think that was it, but it qualifies under the big rock category. Load treated wheat with the seed treater auger, conveyors way down at the fertilizer bins. No. Oh, jeez. Let's see if the Moto Master Canadian Tire Eliminator Special has enough juice to boost this. Got it on sale. There's good deals at Canadian Tire. Now, is this on? I got juice, half juice. Canadian Tire Special. Pre-treated this wheat a couple of weeks ago before we were seeding. Just one less thing to do once you get in the field seeding and spraying. So pre-treated it and put it in the fertilizer bin. What is going on? I'm running out of gas. Out of gas. I'm not out of gas. What's up with the battery? Doesn't want to work today. Oh, what the hell? Now, I bet you it won't start and I'm gonna need Canadian Tire again. Sitting in the tractor is way better than this. And he is empty. Drill's full, he's going again. A little clumpy. I cut all these branches by my house the other day. I'm gonna pick them up now. So there's 3/4 here. So hopefully we get a solid day of seeding tomorrow, but I don't think we're gonna finish before that rain comes. But we'll just do as much as we can. Seed for the rest of the evening here, listening to the hockey game. Dallas Vegas, Game 7.
The right circle, opposite left for a shot, saved by Hill. Sliding to his right, stopping Craig Smith.
Let's see what I'm gonna hit. Oh, jeez, that one hurt.
The Stars hold on. 2-1 in Game 7.
Drilling, filling. The lights on the fender are pretty good. To the front and the sides, and really good to the back. Lights that whole drill up. I'm gonna seed for a little bit longer. See if I get rained out. Thanks for watching.